Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got the Honda Fourtrax 1993 Honda Fourtrax 300. Nice quad. We bought it for $1,000 off of Facebook Marketplace. A little rusted up. The plastics are burnt on one side, the other side is fine. Gas tank is in mint condition. That's just very surprised. Put a new battery in it. We bought this last year. We haven't really messed with it. Rode it once in the summer. Ran perfectly fine. Left it outside forever. And left it in the shed. Left it in the shed, took it out of the shed, and then left it outside out of our house. In the snow and everything. But not just doesn't want to seem to run. Checked everything. Carburetor looks okay. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. But it's got gas, I think. Yeah, it's got gas. But, well, it ran. I just kickstarted it. It ran. I let it run for a quick, 10 minutes. And it just quit, which we don't want. And I heard a lot of rod knocking and stuff, and we don't like that. So let's just see if it... Just getting a compression kick there. Getting it ready. Okay, here we go. Kind of hard to hold this with the phone here. Sorry. Oh, Jesus. Let it idle like that. It runs and it idles. It just does that. And I think it's idling way too low to be running. I think it's idling way too low, so we need to get a scooter. Step over this cord. Get a screwdriver. Here, let me look at this curve here, though. I gotta look at this. See if it's actually... See if I can turn the idle. If I can get to it. Which, I don't know. Maybe I can't. I don't see it, honestly. I don't know. I mean, I would like this to run. It ran perfectly fine in the summer. Started up like this one, but that I ordered new stuff for this. I ordered new grips. I ordered like new things to go on this here, and I ordered some goggles for me. But I'm gonna be ordering new stuff. I'm gonna be ordering more stickers to go on here, make it more flashy. I'm gonna order the tape that goes around the exhaust to give it go black, and I'm gonna paint this summer. I'm gonna paint this all black again, so it's not all messed up. I'm gonna paint the rims all silver again, paint the exhaust all black, and get a new seat cover. It's gonna look nice by the end of school, so that'd be nice. Have that done by the end of school. And then got this sweet girl for $130. It cold starts. Watch this shit, man. This is the best sled I've ever owned. For sure. Okay, this is the best sled I've ever owned. Well, it has like a hole in the exhaust, so we had to do that. And it was filled with water in the gas tank when we bought it. Bought it for 130 bucks. 130 bucks. Engine looks fine. Put new oil in it. Engine's cold as balls. It's literally cold as balls. And watch this, bro. I only need one hand to do this. Look at that, man. That's just amazing. $130 sled. It's a 340 Arctic Cat. Perfect size for me. Yeah, this is one of the best sleds I've ever owned for sure. I had a little Arctic Cat 50cc when I lived in my old house. That was fun. I was like 6. Those things sell for so much today. We should have kept it, but it's fine. I hear this thing puppy run. Sometimes this thing doesn't like me. I took the airbox thing off. It's really quiet. I'm gonna order a new exhaust for it. Just a new exhaust. Oh shit. See, sometimes it wants to trick me like that. It just needs to get warmed up. It's an old 4-wheeler still. So I took this off, so people say it adds power. And I tried it outside. It does, just a little bit though. It's a little kick in the throttle. I know I can tell, but yeah. So the main focus on today is the 300. I just don't know, man. My dad bought this for his plugging on the football fields. He takes care of the football fields and stuff. But he bought it for me too. And my brother. This is my... Well, my dad says my brother's quad. That's my quad. And this is my sled. But... It's... I think I need a new battery. Because I've been charging this battery all night. And it's still... It's still toast. Like, it doesn't want to do anything. I've been charging it all night. I've been charging it all night and it just still doesn't want to fucking do anything. Okay, so yeah, it still doesn't want to do anything. Like, it's on there, it has spark and everything. This has spark. Put it at 6 volts, still does the same thing. I charged it all night long. Either the battery charger's wrong. I've tried 3 battery chargers now, it's still the same thing. So I think we need a new battery. But on the other battery charger, it's a better one, and it tells you if you need a new battery, and it said no. But I've been trying different chargers, and it still doesn't work. So, yeah. But we're just gonna give up on that for today. I don't really know what else to do. Wanted to go for a ride today, because it's kind of snowy out. Kind of, a little bit. It's not enough snow for bigger sleds, but I have a smaller sled, so we might take this out today for a little while. I'm not sure yet, but yeah. Has metal skis, has about 5,000 miles on it, like 4,800. I mean, it's bad, but it's not that bad. Has hand warmers, have everything. It's fan cooled. It doesn't have coolant. So that's nice. I don't have to worry about that coolant stuff. But my neighbor, he has a RMK 700. He has to worry about that coolant stuff. His water pump's going bad, so he has to replace that. And then he's gonna bring the both sleds up to his cabin, and we're gonna ride up there. Maybe next year. I don't know yet. But put these stickers on here. It's nice. Those are nice. I like those. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys, and we'll see you. Oh, guys, never mind. I know I haven't posted in a while. I should have said that to start. But the mini bike, we're selling the mini bike because the clutch is literally shot on it. Like, the clutch is literally, like, blew up. Not into pieces, but it's blew up, like, bad. So, yeah, it's just blew up. Doesn't have enough power. I want more power, and it doesn't have that. I tried zip tying it, and that just ruined the damn clutch. So we're gonna have to buy a new clutch, and then we're gonna sell it for like 500 or 450, maybe 400. But yeah, so that's the end of the video. But yeah, not all the toys in here, but I want to get all the toys in here. Like the mini bike, put it right there. Go-karts sit out there, we're selling that. But yeah, soon I'm gonna buy a dirt bike. So that's gonna be coming up. I'm gonna have a dirt bike video coming up here in the next 5 or 6 months. I mean, I'll post videos way before that, but like I'll have a dirt bike after 5 or 6 months. So you'll see that. You'll see videos of me ripping that, and that'll be fun. Not sure what I'm gonna get. I may get like an SSR 140 or something, or just a CRF 150 F or something like that, or might even get a 250. But sorry, I burped. But yeah, so that's fun. We'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.